Want to know how to create a Mailchimp email with a custom domain? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take to set this up the right way, and it's easier than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create a professional email with your own custom domain using Mailchimp. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can use Mailchimp for completely free from the first link in the description below, and yes, there are some exclusive bonuses waiting for you too. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around to the end for those. Let's jump right into it. First, the very first thing you'll want to do is sign up for a Mailchimp account if you don't already have one. Once you've done that and logged in, the next thing you'll need to do is set up your custom domain. This is key for making your emails look more professional and increasing trust with your subscribers. You can do this by going to the Account tab in Mailchimp and then selecting Domains from the options on the left. From there, you'll see an option to add your domain. If you already own a domain, you'll be able to connect it right here. If you don't, you'll need to purchase one through a domain registrar first. Next thing, let's talk about verifying your domain. After you've added your domain to Mailchimp, you'll be asked to verify it. This is a simple process where Mailchimp will give you some DNS records to add to your domain registrar settings. Don't worry, it sounds complicated, but the instructions are pretty clear. You just log in to your domain registrar account, add those records, and you're good to go. Now that your domain is verified, the fourth thing you need to do is set up your email address using that domain. Go back to Mailchimp and select from email address under the account settings. Here, you'll be able to add your custom email. This is where you'll put your new email address, something like info@yourdomain.com, which looks much more professional than a random email. Finally, let's talk about sending emails from this custom domain. When you're creating a new email campaign, make sure to select your custom email address as the from email. This ensures that when your subscribers get your email, it looks like it's coming straight from your brand, not a generic Mailchimp address. And that's it. You've now set up your Mailchimp email with your own custom domain, giving you a professional edge in your email marketing. Before I wrap up, don't forget that you can grab Mailchimp for free right now, using the first link in the description below. You'll also get some amazing bonuses, including an extended free trial, just for checking it out. Thanks for watching.